So for the source event flow, it's a pretty simple flow. We do need to have one resource to start off with. That's going to be our record ID resource. So just record ID with the type text, and we have it available for input. And that's going to be the record ID that we get from the page that we're viewing. So the first thing we want to do is we want to get the task for that record. So we do a task object and we set it so that the ID is equal to the record ID. Then we want to do a get event. We want to get the event that has an ID equal to the created from field of our get task. So the created from field, remember, that was the field that we created on the activity object. And when we create a task from the event, it's going to store that ID into this created from field. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and do a screen element. And it just has one component on it, and that's going to be a display text component. And what I put here is this task was created as an action item and then I put the activity name link from our get event. So that's the flow. So here I'll show you what it looks like. So when you're on a task that's been created from an event, it would have this little flow pop up that says this task was created as an action item to this one's called project kickoff meeting. And then I can click on it and it will navigate me to the project kickoff meeting. And we do have it set up so that this only displays if it was created from an event. So to do that, we're going to go to edit page. And then on the flow component, we're going to create a visibility rule so that it's doing it only if the created from field is not equal to blank. So pretty much if it's equal to any value. So if there is a value in the created from field, then it should show up. Otherwise it would not. So that's how you go ahead and add the source event to the task object.